ukuvasa umzimba ndibona lena into. This is very, very good. I enjoy, you know, I enjoy to smell good, to smell nice. I actually love scrubbing my body. Most of the time I use scrubs, but I'm not that very much interested in Nivea. I've been using Nivea. Chinazi mani ndo zovasa umzimba this side, this side. Okay. Umnandi yazi xa ngumuntu ongumama unuke kamandi. Umnandi xa ngumuntu ongumama unuke kamandi. Just look around. Just look around. White tea. White tea. White tea. Now, ufuna uqonde ke ngokuba okay, no, xa ngigqibuvasa ngezi then ndizazithatha eziqinisekile ndizazithatha ezi because ndiyakuthanda uvasa umzimba wam. Ladies, it's very, very important to wash your body. It's very, very important to smell good. It's very, 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 very important to make sure that in the morning, first thing in the morning, uqala nomzimba wakho before you touch anything. So now I'm just that type of a person that uthanda umzimba wakho. You know, we cannot believe age because of uthanda umzimba wakho. So ladies, I advise, you know, smell good, smell good. Even to a marriage, yeah, it can last. Relationships, smell good. Thank you.